you think? Does it need to go down?
That one looks straight. That one's fine. This one somebody got fixed at work.
I'm gonna get a 2x4 and I'm gonna put it under here so it doesn't collapse.
Okay. There you go, I fixed it as best I could. Oh wait, no, this needs to be bent inwards. Maybe somebody already Gange repaired this before you even got it. There you go.
It is.
It's chinchier than a pixie stick. 456 fix this chinchy 456 fix this chintzy shit. 3, 2, 1. Blow my eardrums out. Two for done. 4, 5, 3, 2, 1. Blow my eardrums. 2 for done.
Can you see this side?
Oh yeah, that rail's still finished.
So chintzy, I've done it with my feet. See if you can bend these.
Yeah. Oh shit. say, is that thunder or is this thing going boom, boom, boom? What is going on outside? What's
That's
moving?
the, what do you call it? The train.
I can't hear it go. Ka-tin, 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 ka-tin. There you go. I think I bend them back into place. I think I can.
I got an idea.
What?
That way, if we put this one in first, we don't have to use the same rails. Oh, maybe not.
Yeah, but this one, then you're gonna have a big gap here.
No, they all equal the same distance.
It's just this one that doesn't.
Which one's the heaviest, George?
Probably that bottom one.
Let's try putting this one in first.
God, that's so chintzy.
Line up the rails.
Get some light. Oh, God.
I got this one.
Okay, I lined up my rails. Oh, no, Tony, it just fell.
Wait. I'm gonna line up the back rail.
I think,
There we go.
yeah, it's lined. There we go, I heard it snapping in place. There we go. Yeah, maybe this won't be as terrible as I thought it would be. Okay, stop, you're scaring me. That thing falls, my camera quality audio is gonna go out the window.
And then let's put this one in. Okay, I got this side. Oh, there you go. Now you're using the old noggin.
Aren't I usually?
Hold on.
You didn't open yours out. Yeah, hey, pick it up.
Oh,
Oh.
jeez.
Oh, okay,
Not good.
that one doesn't snap that into place in the back.
That's not good.
It's fine, it just means you can't pull it. Ooh. Here's your blade. One soaked in oil to begin with, too. No, it's this side that's failing. See? The tab isn't working.
Can you go under and push it in?
I see why it's not pushing in. I can't get in that little groove.
Does it have to come out more?
Yeah, I think that little tab has to come out more.
Okay, push the drawer in a little bit.
Oh, shit. Whatever the...
Let's pull it out.
Mm-hmm.
Ah, jeez.
This is the one, right?
Yeah.
Alright, where are the dikes? Where's Gilbert Van Dyke?
They probably put it in the drawer we just
No. Not in the bottom drawer. Yeah, here's it. No, that's not it. Here's it. Oh, jeez, I bent that out a bit too far.
Not that. Not that.
What?
You gotta bend this one down.
No, these tabs have to be bent in.
What?
These tabs here have to be bent inwards, not outwards. Oh, I know. I couldn't see. That one you can't. Oh, gee. Okay, don't push it into.
It's not a good. These are the ones that need to.
I know, but those tabs are what catch the rails so they don't come out with the drawer. See? That's what this is for.
I know that, but it's not.
Oh, my hands are bleeding.
Catching.
Careful, drop weight on
Piece of crap.
Hey, don't pull it out.
Why?
Because you have weight above you. You have about 80 pounds of air tools above you.
Alright, let's see what happens. Maybe try to get yours in first.
Yeah. Yeah, that's a good idea. Put it right.
You want to push it out?
Yeah.
Oops.
You have your rail on. You need to send it out. But you need. No. There we go. Yes. Yeah, we're never gonna use. We're pretty much never using the tools in here, so I mean, it doesn't really matter if we can't get them. And the decks are right there. Oh man.
And I just need to make 2 boards.
Yeah. Use your saw. Your saw. Oh.
Oh, hi, baby. It's okay.
Idiot dog. Now, wait a minute. Oh, I thought you were doing it over here. I'm like, now, wait a minute.
Need 2 boards. What does it say, 26?
Yeah, 26 inches. 6-inch ribbon curls. Oh, these are references nobody's gonna get. Mm. Minutes of Gange. Yeah, this is disgusting. You know, the perfect wood cutting rig for a circular saw was I saw that. Why don't you use a jigsaw? Or a jigsaw. You need a battery too. Yeah, Dad, you're missing something to cut. You're missing something. You'll shoot your eye out, kid.
See if it fits.
That one cut faster than your old one?
Yeah.
Oh.
Let's see if that fits.
Yeah.
Too long?
She fits. It's just that the nuts get in the way.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can't put it flush with it in the front or in the back. But it works. See. Uh-oh. Are you an inch? I think you might be an inch too short. I think you might need a shim. Oh, money! Wait, move it. I'm rich. It's your Zucky day. It's my Zucky day. You need a shim about this thick. And I think the stink bug itself. That'll work, right? I mean, these don't. I mean, you don't really do anything other than keep it in place. That whistling? Oh, that was me.
Oh.
My throat's dry, and I went. It's better. No, I was just, my throat was dry and something was stuck in place, so it was whistling. What are you doing?
This might be a little better for the center. I'll put about 10 on this. I do miss my laser though on my saw.
Yeah. I got it. I got an idea though, Dad. Just super glue a just super glue a laser pointer to it.
Yeah.
Super glue a laser. Laser. Let me get my spot. Yeah, because it sits on top of the bolts.
Okay.
Okay.
Now we gotta
Let me put that
get this.
hammer back together. Oh, here's another impact. Hey, this one, the trigger actually returns to the right spot.
That's a good one, Ruben.
What? What's that?
That impact. These are the brushes for the impact.
What?
Going
What brushes?
for that Chicago pneumatic.
Chicago pneumatic. It's Chicago Electric. Central Pneumatic is Harbor Freight's air compressor brand.
Okay. Try to line her up.
Ouch.
You gotta go up higher.
These are disgusting. You got your lined up?
Now it is.
Okay.
Hold on. Wait.
Get the light in place.
Okay, mine's lined.
Okay, let's see about mine. Mine is nowhere near lined up.
No.
I can't see.
Maybe I can.
we go. Oh, wait, open it back up. Oh, shit.
That's one of the problems.
Oh, there.
Why this thing should be bent outward.
Music to my ears. Hey, it works now. Maybe it just needs some weight in the front.
Nah.
Shut up. This is sucky. I can't use my face because my hands are so dirty and gange. So I have to use my knee. This one used to be at the. Oh wait, no, this one is still at the bottom. I think this one was here, and then this one was here, or something like that. I don't know.
Yeah, this is.
Hey, wasn't that one the one at the bottom? No. It doesn't matter. They're fixed now. It only took us 26 minutes to do this entire thing. It almost took us a half an hour. Ugh. Dirty penny. Yeah, because I probably breathed in so much.
Three.
Do we need to sand something now? I think those tools fit better in your old bag than your old tools
They
did.
do.
Hmm.
They're smaller, actually.
That's probably why. You want a gingerbread snap? Okay. Again. Oh, and the phone color is great. that's enough of this Gange. Bye. Peace. Subscribe.